Hey everyone, Andrew with RCBS. Today, we're unboxing and showing how to use the Brass Boss, the ultimate all-in-one solution for fast and consistent brass prep. Let's get started.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
The Brass Boss includes everything you need to speed up your case prep and produce consistent brass ready to reload. Inside the box, you'll find the Brass Boss itself, the power supply, and the power cord, VLD deburring tool, chamfer tool, primer pocket cleaners, small and large, primer pocket uniformers, small and large, military crimp removers, small and large, 4 different diameters of polymer case neck brushes, and a packet of dry case neck lubricant. Each tool has its place in the system. With the Brass Boss's 6 power stations plus 2 fixed positions, you can set it up exactly the way you like. Set your Brass Boss in a convenient spot on your bench. Plug in the power supply and the cord. The unit's variable speed control is located at the rear, letting you dial in the perfect RPM for each operation, controlling your speed. The Brass Boss stations are arranged in a circular layout. The tools included with your unit can be installed on any station. We'll cover a couple tips for recommended layout. Station 1 and 4 are the high-speed stations, better for uniforming, cleaning, or crimp removal. The other 4 stations run at a slightly slower speed, ideal for chamfering and deburring case mouths. The top 2 positions, 7 and 8, are stationary, perfect for the included case neck brushes. Install your tools on each station with the Brass Boss powered off and unplugged. Use the wrench flats on Station 4's tall threaded post if you need to lock the gears while threading in accessories. We recommend using the VLD deburr and chamfer tools on Station 2, 3, 5, and 6. The VLD, or very low drag, accessory is designed to put an optimal angle on the inside of the case mouth to allow modern, high BC bullets to seat easily and accurately. The chamfer tool, best if used in stations 2, 3, 5, and 6, to reduce chatter from the cutter on large caliber case mouths. The larger the case mouth diameter, the lower the speed should be, and the included dry lubricant should be put in the storage area. From there, there's many ways to set up the Brass Boss, and you can use stations 2, 3, 5, and 6 to install the right tools in the right spot for you. It's not necessary to have tools in all 6 rotating stations if you don't want to. For any tools you aren't using, utilize the storage tray. RCBS also offers additional accessories that can be used with the Brass Boss, like carbide tools, dedicated 50 BMG tools, and flash hole deburring tools. Now that we're set up, let's put the Brass Boss to work. Start by chamfering, then deburring your trimmed brass. Light pressure is all you need to use on both tools to produce uniform, smooth mouths ready for bullet seating. If you're using the included military crimp removal tools, I would recommend this if your high RPMs were in stations 1 and 4. Set your case on top of the dedicated size of cutter and press down. This will remove the crimp and staking. You're now ready to uniform and clean your military cases just like any other brass. Uniform your primer pockets, standardizing them to a consistent depth. This allows for seating new primers consistently, giving reliable ignition. Keep the case straight vertically and press down on the uniformer. Remove the case and inspect for a clean, flat cut on the bottom of your primer pocket. You'll only need to do this operation once for the life of each case. Then, use the appropriate size of primer pocket cleaner to remove all of the residue left in the primer pocket. This makes primer seating easier and gives you consistent ignition. Place the deprimed case's primer pocket onto the cleaner and move slightly side to side with light pressure. Now, your brass is ready for the next step in your reloading process. For maintenance, you can wipe down the unit with a soft cloth. To get rid of accumulated brass chips, disconnect the Brass Boss and clean up debris with a soft brush. The Brass Boss is built to last and makes case prep faster, cleaner, and more consistent than ever. Add one to your bench to spend less time prepping and more time shooting. Thanks for watching. Check out rcbs.com for more.